Yo, what is good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Miles. I'm your high performance coach. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys through one of the most amazing college room tours. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Woo! All right, so as you walk in, you're greeted with the door, of course. It has this nice, lovely mirror. I got this Raptors, and that's the team I root for. And over here to my left, I have my walk-in closet. Yeah, essentially you can see it has a lot of the storage, a lot of my clothes, and it just kind of keeps my stuff all organized and stuff for, I guess, school. Nothing too much there. So over here to my right, I got my poster that says set goals and go. And I really like this poster because it reminds me right before heading out to classes or anything like that, just, stay focused and keep going. Over here, we have my whiteboard dry erase calendar. This is super nice because before I had this paper one that wasn't too efficient, but this one, just dry erase. And it's empty right now because we're currently in exam season, so there's no classes going on. But when I do have my assignments or anything I have to put on the calendar, you best believe it's going right here. Here I have this moon chair, and if anyone wants to come in, chill, whatever it may be, usually come in, they sit here. Next, I have the ring light. When I have time and my schedule's not crazy, do some sit down videos, I would use this ring light to help me out. And then over here, we just got one more poster that just says, persistence, don't give up, keep going, which is a great reminder, especially at university when things get really tough.
Yes, sir.
The view is okay, I'm grateful for it. Essentially, it just backs onto some other houses, but that's the view I kind of get from my room. And, the lighting is good for the window, so I can't really complain. Over here, we just have our garbage and just kind of how I keep the room organized. Something over here that's really cool, my residence Don actually gave this to me. So essentially, it's this student sleep guide to wellness. And something that I thought was pretty interesting was the concept of sleep banking. What it means is, like, if you only sleep for 4 hours one night and 11 hours the other night, you can't add sleep on and you can't sleep bank. So it's really important to just stay consistent with your sleep schedule. I know it gets tough, but hey, this is just a good reminder for all of that. Over here right beside it, I have my mini fridge, and I highly recommend a mini fridge to anyone who is living in a dorm or anything like that. Super useful when you have drinks or anything you just want to store. A good old printer here that rarely used, but it's still useful to have. Then I have my snacks over here that, once in a while you get a little hungry in your room, studying, snacks don't hurt. Next, I have probably one of my favorite areas within my room, my desk. So shout out to the residents for hooking us up with really nice desks. This is pretty sturdy. I have my monitor here, which is very useful. It's my iPad, laptop, and then headphones and just stuff like that. But overall, it's a clean, good working desk, and I honestly can't really complain. And then last but not least, over here on the sides, you got some posters. These are some of my favorites, actually. It says like hustle in silence, let your success be the noise. Tells you about the price of entry of success, or just ideas are worthless without execution. These are all some great high performance tips that honestly you can implement into your own lives. All right, so the last few parts of my room consist of my bed, a single bed right here. I have a picture of this lion over here. And sometimes in the nighttime, I like to use my starry light projector just to play all these beautiful different colors around my room. So hey, just check it out for yourself. So as you can see, in the nighttime, the room can be a complete vibe, super cool with all these variant colors and cool variants that we can try. Let me know what your favorite color is down in the comment section below. Living in residence has taught me a lot of great things. Starting here, I've gained a lot more independence. I don't have a roommate. Quite frankly, I'm kind of happy for that, just because I learned a lot about myself through this process of just going here and, day in, day out, grinding through school. So currently at university, it's time for a lot of people to start moving out of residence. I'm gonna really miss this place. Ultimately, when you're in university, you kind of have to be your own boss, essentially, and you have to kind of depend on yourself. So throughout this process, this really taught me, what it's like to live on your own, and honestly, I really like it. So I hope you all enjoyed this video of me showing you around my dorm tour. Now listen, this dorm does the job for me, and I really did appreciate my time here. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I would love to respond to them. Also, make sure you hit that like and subscribe because it helps this channel out grow to bigger and better things. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. And remember to always believe that you will achieve. My name is Miles, and I'm signing off.